Welcome to the Domino Laser Application Lab in Hamburg. My name is Stefan Stadler. I'm responsible for the application labs and our training academy. Today we want to show you how we always manage to impress our customers by taking a strictly analytical approach when creating samples. That means we analyze the substrate materials our customers send us using spectroscopic techniques. We select the appropriate laser based on the results of our analysis. When the samples are ready, we inspect them. Not only visually, we also use various other methods to verify machine-readable codes to assess the quality. And very important these days when marking sensitive materials such as thin films. It is not only important to the customer that the code is correct and the contrast is good, but product safety also needs to be ensured. That means that the barrier properties of the packaging material may not be impaired. For this purpose, we have a 3D microscope with which we measure the depth of our laser coding. Hello, I'm Kai Krohn. I'm a manufacturing engineer at Domino Laser, and we are now in the laser production facility in Hamburg. We manufacture standard CO2 laser and fiber laser marking systems, and also solutions which are tailored to individual customer requirements. The standard is a pure assembly operation. The individual components are delivered, and we assemble the entire system into the finished laser. The laser module with the beam source is mounted on the production line, then commissioned with the controller and tested. We are here in one of our test rooms, where we carry out the so-called burn-in test. Each laser goes through various program-controlled automated stress scenarios that virtually torture it. All lasers are tested in this way and must meet specific criteria to achieve the expected Domino laser quality. What makes Domino lasers so special? The lasers are 100% made in Germany, and we find a solution for all our customers' problems and put our accumulated expertise into meeting your expectations.